Good afternoon, friends. Hello. How are you today? Good, great, or wonderful? I am wonderful too. I'm so happy that you are here. Yes, it's so good to be with you. So good. Wait a minute. But what day is today? What day is today? I don't know. Let's see. There is Sunday, there is Monday, there's Tuesday, there's Wednesday, there's Thursday, there's Friday, and then there's Saturday, days of the week, days of the week, days of the week, days of the week, days of the week. There is Sunday, there is Monday, there's Tuesday, there is Wednesday, there's Thursday, there is Friday, and then there's Saturday, days of the week, days of the week. Days of the week, days of the week, days of the week. Yeah, there are 7 days in a week. And yesterday was Sunday. Sunday. So today's Tuesday. Tuesday. Today is Tuesday. Today's Tuesday. Today's Tuesday all day long. Today's Tuesday. Today's Tuesday. Today's Tuesday all day long. Today is Tuesday. Here. Today is Tuesday. Repeat. Tuesday. Today is Tuesday. Tuesday in the morning, in the afternoon, Tuesday in the evening. Today is Tuesday. Alphabet. Yes, it's the alphabet. And the letter of the week is letter A. A. Letter A. Repeat. A. A. And A has a sound. The sound is A. A. Letter A has a sound. Each letter has a sound. A says A. 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 The letter of the week is A. A has a sound. A. A for apple. Apple. Repeat. Apple. A for airplane. Airplane. Airplane starts with letter A. Apple starts with letter A too. Apple. Airplane. Ant. Ant. Ant starts with letter A. Ant. Ant. A for ant. Ant. Alligator. Alligator. Alligator starts with letter A. A. Repeat letter A. A says alligator. Alligator. Ant. Ant. Apple. Apple. Airplane. Airplane. Okay, so the letter of the week is A. And the number of the week. The number of the week is 1. 1. 1. Can you draw number 1 in the air? 1. You go up, then you go down. You go up, and then you go down. Up and down. Up and down. 1. 1. So let's repeat. 1. The number of the week is 1. 1. The number of the week is 1. Very good. Colors. Colors. I see colors everywhere. And what is the color of the week? The color of the week is blue. 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 Repeat. Blue. 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 I see something blue. Blue. I see something blue. Blue, 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 blue. I see something blue. Touch something blue. Is there anything blue with you? Can you show me something blue? Show me something blue. Show me. Blue. I see something blue. Blue. I see something blue. Blue, 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 blue. I see something blue. Touch something blue. Show me. Can you find something blue? Yes, blue? Yes, that's it. Blue. The color of the week is blue. 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 Blue is my favorite color. What's your favorite color? My favorite color is blue. Blue. The color of the week is blue too. Yeah, the sky is blue. The sky is blue. The airplane is blue. Airplane. Airplane starts with letter A. Airplane. The airplane is blue. The ball is blue too. The car is blue. I see something blue. Blue. I see something blue. Blue, 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 blue. I see something blue. Touch something blue. And what's the shape of the week? What's the shape of the week? It looks like a ball, but it's not a ball. It's a circle. Circle. Draw a circle in the air. Circle. It's a curve. Circle. Circle. Yeah, the shape of the week is circle. Circle. Repeat, circle. And this circle is blue. Yes, it's a blue circle. The shape of the week is circle. Circle. That's it. Circle. What's the letter of the day? A. Very good. And what's the number? Number 1. What's the shape? Circle. And what's the color? Blue. And how is the weather today? I don't know. Take a look. Open the window and take a look. How is the weather today? What's the weather? What's the weather? What's the weather like today? Is it sunny? Is it rainy? What's the weather like today? How is the weather today? What's the weather like? Is it sunny? Cloudy? Windy? Or rainy? How is the weather today? It's sunny. It's sunny today. Sunny. Yes, the sun is shining. The sky is blue. Yeah, it's sunny. It's a beautiful day. Oh, Mr. Sun, Sun, Mr. Golden Sun, please shine down on me. Oh, Mr. Sun, Sun, Mr. Golden Sun, Please shine down on me. Yes, today is sunny. Now it's time to study. Let's review the animals today. The pets. Pets are the animals that we have in our house, at home. Dog, cat, bird, fish. So now we are going to review the animals. We don't have to get the book today, okay? No book. Let's review the animals. This is a dog. This is a cat. Now repeat. Dog, dog, cat, cat. This is a turtle. Turtle. Repeat. Turtle. Turtle. Bird. This is a bird. Bird. Repeat. Bird. Bird. Fish. They are fish. Fish. Now repeat. Fish. Fish.
Track 5.
Rhyme. What does a dog say?
What does a dog say?
Bow wow!
What does a dog say?
Bow wow!
What does a dog say? What does a dog say? What does a dog say?
Bow wow!
What does a cat say?
Meow meow!
What does a cat say?
Meow meow!
What does a cat say? What does a cat say? What does a cat say?
Meow meow!
What does a bird say?
Chirp chirp!
What does a bird say?
Chirp chirp!
What does a bird say? What does a bird say? What does a bird say?
Chirp chirp!
What does a fish say?
Blurp blurp!
What does a fish say?
Blurp blurp!
What does a fish say? What does a fish say? What does a fish say?
Blurp blurp!
Very good. Congratulations. You did a great job. But we have a song of the week. And the song of the week is, if you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're angry, really angry, stomp your feet. If you're angry, really angry, stomp your feet. If you're angry, really angry, stomp your feet, stomp your feet. If you're angry, really angry, stomp your feet. If you're scared, really scared, say, oh no, oh no. If you're scared, really scared, say, oh no, oh no. If you're scared, really scared, say, oh no. If you're scared, really scared, say, oh no, oh no. If you're happy, really happy, clap your hands. If you're happy, really happy, clap your hands. If you're happy, really happy, clap your hands, clap your hands. If you're happy, really happy, clap your hands. Very good. Yeah. But I'm not happy anymore. I am sad. It's time to go. But I'll see you next class. I'll see you next class. But now it's time to say goodbye. Bye bye. Goodbye. Bye 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 bye. Goodbye. Bye bye. Goodbye. Bye 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 bye. Goodbye. I can clap my hands. I can stomp my feet. I can clap my hands. I can stomp my feet. Bye bye, goodbye. Bye 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 bye, goodbye. Bye bye, goodbye. Bye 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 bye, goodbye. Goodbye, goodbye. See you next class. Bye bye.